Okay, so this is my finite automata. Okay, now if you see, okay, I'll name this as Q0 and Q1. I'll just name it as 0 and 1. Is there any loop in finite automata? In the given finite automata, is there any loop? Is there any loop, students? Yes or no? Is there any loop? If yes, then what is the loop? There is no loop, Ojas. Yes, we have loop, right? If you see, we have a loop. Okay, what you have to do in loop elimination is start with the start state and check whether you have any loop at the start state. If there is no loop at the start state, move on to the next state and check whether you have any loop at the next state. Okay, how you will be eliminating, I'll tell you in the next one. Okay, the first thing is start with the start state, check whether you have any loop. First thing is you have to check whether you have any loop. You may have one loop or you may have more than one loop. Okay, so in this example, this is very simple. If you can see, you have a simple single loop from 0 to 1 and 1 to 0, right? You have a simple single loop that is from 0 to 1 and 1 to 0. So now we need to eliminate this. Okay, in state elimination, we have eliminated the state. In this, you need to eliminate the loop. Okay, so to eliminate the loop, okay, so we have started with the start state, right? We have started with the start state, that is state 0, and we check whether we have any loop. We have a loop here from 0 to 1 and 1 to 0. So what to do with this loop now? We have to eliminate it. How to eliminate this? Take the loop, okay, read the loop from the beginning. That is, at the start state we have the loop. Start from the start state and check the loop. Read the loop. That is A, B. I hope you people are getting me. Okay, so this is A, B. Start from the start state and come back to the state. Read the loop. Okay, trace the path. A, B. So this is my loop. What should we do with this loop? What should we do with this loop?
Yes or no? Who done? Who done? Nidhi, you done?
Somebody has your.
Okay, Nidhi.
I think your mommy is teaching someone. Okay, so what we have to do with this loop, where we have read the loop, we have read the loop at state 0. So whatever we read, put that into the state that we have read. Okay, so we have read at 0. We have read at 0. So put the whatever we have read, that is whatever we have traced, put that at state 0. Okay, so what we have read? We have read A, B. Okay, and what we have to do next is you have to eliminate the incoming path which is forming the loop. Okay, we have to delete. Simple, delete the loop, the incoming loop which is forming the loop. It's okay, Antara, fine. Okay, delete the incoming arrow at state 0 which is forming the loop. Okay, I may have another here. I may have another incoming transition here, but we'll not delete this. We'll delete only this path which is in the loop, which is forming the loop. Okay, and keep the other one that is outgoing as it is. Okay, so here what we'll do, we'll keep this as it is. Okay, this is my one. Okay, and this is as it is, B. Did you get this? So now we don't have any loop, right? Do we have any loop in this? We don't have any loop. So what will be our RE now? Students, what will be our RE now? Can anyone? Can anyone tell me the RE for this? What is the RE? AB star B. Kushal says AB star B. Any other answer? AB star or B? Ojas says. Any other answer? On A goes to 1. On A goes to 1. Acha, sorry. Yeah, yes, Preeti, I'm sorry for that. It is A, not B. Right. Thank you. Yeah, so Kushal says it is AB star A and Ojas says it is AB whole star or B. Right? Okay, fine. Any other answers, students? Any other answers? Rushikesh says AB whole star A. Any other answers? Preeti says AB star A. Any other? Sushti AB whole star A. Please see the diagram properly. Finite automata. Saurav says AB whole star. Abhishek says AB whole star A. Any other answers? Students, you have to be careful while writing the RE. What you have to do? What is your RE for this finite automata? Start from the start state and reach the final state, right? Start from the start state and reach the final state. So final start and final both are 0. How can you move to 1? 1 is not either a start state or final state, right? You have to start from the start state, trace the till the final state, right? So what will be our RE? Yes, Rushikesh. Then who is this? Sharvari, Bhushan. Yes, it is just AB whole star. Right? Good. So you have to be careful while writing the RE. You may have done this diagram right, but later on while writing the RE, if you add this A, then you'll get 0 marks out of 10. Okay, since your RE is wrong. Your final answer should be right. As I have told you before, you'll get 10 or 0. Remember that. Okay, so start from the start state, reach the final state. So if you see, start from the start state and reach the final state, you have only AB in the loop. So it is AB star. Okay, if you reach this, then it is wrong because it is not final state. Okay, now I'll change a bit. If I say even this is my final state. Now what is our RE? Now what is our RE? What will be our RE now? Students, if you answer quickly, we can solve more examples. Otherwise, I'll give you homework. I can't solve all the questions in the lecture. Bhushan says it is AB whole star A. AB whole star A. AB whole star A. AB whole star A. Can you people check it again? Can you people check it again? Yashashri says AB whole star or A. Yashashri, check again. See, you have two final states, right? More than one final state. Yes, you are right. More than one final state. So what do you have to do? You have to write RE for both the final states separately. You have to write RE for both the final states separately. So what is my RE1 then? RE1 will be, I'll take the first one, 0 state as final state. So what I'll have, we have done that before. It is AB whole star. Okay, this is my RE1. What is RE2? Now from start state to the final state. From start state, read from start state to the final state. What it is? It is AB whole star A. I hope you people are getting me. Students, are you understanding? Is there any confusion or doubt in this? Right? For state 0, we have start state is 0, final state is 0. For that, what we have? We have the first RE, AB whole star. For second final state, you have to read from the start state, right? So it is AB whole star A. So these two are my RE. So we need to combine it. What will be my final RE? My final RE will be AB whole star or AB whole star A. Okay, you can take this as common and write it. That is epsilon or A. Even that you can do. But even if you write this is enough. Okay, so if this both are your final state, this will be your RE. If this only is your final state, then your RE will be just AB whole star. Students, any doubt in this? This is your simplest example. Is there any doubt in this? Okay, no doubt. Very good. Then we'll move on to the next example then. Okay, now the same example that we have taken here. Okay, instead of this final state, instead of this, okay, instead of this final state, I'll take this as final state. Ma'am, can we convert more than one final state to one final state? Ishani, that problem that is eliminating more than one final state is in state elimination method. Here you need not do that. Sorry. Okay, so in state elimination method, you should have only one start state and one, sorry, obviously you will have one start state. You have to convert more than one final state to one final state. In loop elimination method, what you have to do? You have to write separate REs for all final states and combine it with the OR. Is it clear? Is it clear? I hope there is no doubt. Okay. So now for this, what it will be? For this, what you will have? The same example we have taken, but we have changed the final state. What will be the RE? So here, if I take, what we'll have? We have to remove this, right? You'll have this. So what is the RE for this? If I remove the loop, right? A, B whole star ना, तो A, B यहाँ पे डाल दिया, right? ये loop हमने read किया A, B and we added it here, right? And this as it is. Now, what will be my RE for this? What will be my RE for this? Very simple, students. Answer it quickly. Students, I'm waiting. Yes, Preeti, it's right. Preeti has given the answer AB whole star A. Okay, so what is our RE? Our RE will be, yes, Devesh, right. I hope there is no doubt. You're getting this. Is there any doubt, any one of you? Let me know. Your RE will be for this, your RE will be AB whole star A. Yes, Suswar. Right. Very good. Yes, Sejal, Abhishek. Yes, right. Okay, fine. Okay, now we'll move on to the next example. This is A. This is also A. This is B. I have a loop here. Loop is B. Okay, and then start state and the final state. Okay, so this I'll name it as 0, 1 and 2. Okay, so now do you have any loop at 0? Do you have any loop at 0? Start from the start state. Students, you need to answer very quickly. Be quick. Do you have any loop at 0? No, we don't have, right? Okay, so we'll move on to the next state, that is 1. Do we have any loop at 1? Do we have any loop at 1? Yes, we have, right? Okay, so read the loop and what should I add onto 1? Tell me that. Yes, Sujal, you have raised the hand. Do you have any doubt? Sujal, do you have any doubt? You have raised your hand. Do you have any doubt? Okay. Everyone said that, what is that? You have to, not everyone. Who has answered? Preeti answered it is AB, right? It is AB. Just read the loop A, B and come back to the state from where you are reading. Okay, if you read it here, it is AB. If you read it here, it is BA. Since we are doing it here, we'll do it here. Okay, it is AB. Okay, so I'll add AB here. Okay, and what has to be done now? What is the next step? That's all. What I have to draw? What I have to draw now after this? Right? I have to connect 1 and 2. Right? I have to connect 1 and 2. Okay? On A. Fine. And I have to mark the final state. Yes, right. Okay. Now tell me, do I need to draw this state? Sorry, draw this transition. Do we need to draw this transition from 2 to 1? Yes or no? We shouldn't draw. We are eliminating the loop, right? So this transition should not be drawn. Okay. I think this is complete now. This FA is in simpler form, right? I have to write A here. I forgot that. Okay. Now we can see that there is no loop in our finite automata, right? We don't have finite automata after deleting or eliminating the loop. Okay. Since it is free from the loop, we can write RE for this. What is our RE? Read from the start state and reach the final state. What is the RE? What is RE now? Students, Preeti says A, B or AB whole star A. Any other answer? Is there any other answer? Read from the start state and reach the final state. A, B whole star or AB whole star A. Okay. Sushti says it is B star or AB whole star in between A. Any other answers? AB star A or AB AB whole star A. Rishikesh. Okay. Srishti and Rishikesh, your answers are same. Okay. Then any other answers? Any other answer? Okay, student, I want to make a small doubt clear here. Okay, I'll just give me a second. I'll just I think you people have a small doubt with I find in your answers, so I want to make that clear. Okay, just give me a second. Okay, so I want to ask you people that whether there is any difference between these two diagram or they are same. Is there any difference? Are they different or they are same? Are they different or they are same? Preeti says it is same. Rishikesh says it is same. Everyone agree with this that it is same, or is there any other answer that they are different? Sharvari, Abhishek, Ojas, everyone says it is same. Is there any other answer? Is it same? Is there anyone who says it is different? Is it same or different? It is same. Shreya says same. Ojas says B and AB are not in the same loop. Yeah, I agree with that. That we can see, right? Lekin what is that? The string generated by this two FAs, are they same or they are different? I want to ask that. Yashasri says they are same. Sejal says same. Okay. Students, if you say it is same, I say it is wrong. I say these are two different, what is that, FAs. Okay. Why B and AB won't appear together ever? Yes. Yes, Kushal. That's what I want to tell you. Yes, they are different. Okay, it's not wrong. It is different. Okay, both have their own, what is that, arrays. Okay, see here, I can start here from A. Okay, from that is start state A. I can have B, AB in the same string. In the same string, I can have A, B, AB, B, AB, B, AB, and then reach A. But here, see this A, I can have only number of B's and reach A. And here, A, AB, only AB's and reach A. I hope you people are getting me what I want to tell you. Is this clear, students? Is this clear? So, what I'll have here, sorry. What Ari I'll have here? What Ari I'll have here? I'll have A or B star or AB whole star. I've taken it that as common and I have given the answer. Okay. The most of the answers what you people have given is this. It is A, B star or AB star A. Right? But here, what we have here, we have the loop at a single state. Right? So what we'll have here, we'll have A, B or AB whole star. This or this. Since it is at the same state, it will be either this or this. And then to the final state. Did you get the difference, students? Did you get the difference between this and this? Everyone, please let me know. Did you get the difference between this diagram and this diagram? Yes? Good. Okay. So since you have loop two loops at single state, you can go to this loop or this loop, this and this both, right? Here you have to go through only one loop. Okay, so this will be the answer for this and this will be answer for this finite automata. Okay, if you got this, we'll move on to the next example. Is this clear? Any doubt in this example, students? Any doubt in this example, students? Shall we move on to the next one?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, by the answer that you just told, we can get B and AB together as well, right?
Yes, right.
Okay, ma'am. That was my doubt.
Okay,
Thank
see
you.
here, what you can do is, see, since this is star, you can repeat this as many times as required, right? Since this is whole star, we can repeat this any number of times. Okay, while repeating, I can take B, either B or AB. I can take B 10 times and stop because it is either this or this. If I want to repeat this loop 10 times, I can take only B. Okay, or I can take only AB, or I can take mixture of B and AB because it is OR. When I repeat it once, I can take B. While repeating this loop second time, I can take AB. So it can be a mix of both. Okay, but here it is not that. You will be taking only B, or you'll be taking only AB, repetitions of only B or repetitions of only AB. Okay, I hope this is clear to everyone. Shall we move on to the next example now? Okay, so next example. This is A. Okay, so this is my finite automata, to which I need to find the RE. Okay, there is another loop here. I'll just give you. Fine. Okay, start from the start state, that is 0. Do we have any loop? Do we have any loop? And read the loop and tell me the RE. For 0. For state 0, tell me the RE. That is not not RE. Tell me the loop which I need to put on to state 0. At state 0, what should I add? Do I have a loop? Harish says add AB. Okay. Any other? Anyone else? Yes, there is a loop. Yes says add AB. ठीक है, अभिषेक, सौरव, देवेश, yes. और कोई? Is there any other answer that I have? Is there any other answers? Is there any other answers? That's all. I am expecting more answers. Any other answers, students? No? No more answers? Karthik says A or A, A, B, A, A, B, B. Okay, it is A, B or A, A, B, B. Any other answers? Karthik, why is this? Why you gave this answer? Karthik, why you gave this answer? Can I go from 1 to 2? Yes, you can go. Preeti says A, A, B, B. I am expecting few more answers. Any more answers? Yes, Karthik, you can go from 1 to 2. A, Preeti says A, A, B, B, B. No, Preeti. Few more answers. You are missing something. Students, first and foremost, what did I say? Start from the start state and check how many loops. Do you have any loop? If you have loop, then how many loops you have? Add that. state. I will give you how many loops do you have at 0. First you have to check that how many loops you have, students, at state 0. How many loops do you have at 0? How many loops do you have at 0, state 0? Is there only one loop? Is there only one loop? No, you have two loops, right? 0, 1, 0 is one loop. 0, 1, 2, 1, 0 is another loop. Students, are you getting this? This is one loop. 0, 1, 0. Check this again. 0, 1, 2, 1, 0 is another loop, right? So you have two loops at state 0. Now we have to read both the loop before deleting this. Before deleting incoming transition at 0, we have to add all the loops to state 0. Okay, so what we'll have, few of you have taken this into consideration, but you have missed this, right? So what we'll have here, one is 0, 1, 0. Everyone has written this. Very good. Everyone has written this. It is just A, B. Okay. It is A, B. That is from 0 to 1, 1 to 0. Now read this. Read this. What is this? What is this loop? What is this loop? A, right? A. What we'll write here? What is this? It is B star, right? It is not just B. It is B star. Because it is self loop, we should consider the self loop. So it is A, B star, B, B. I think few of you have written as B. It is not just B. Since it is self loop, it is B star. Okay, that also we need to add. Okay, so it is A, B star, B, B. Students, any doubt till here? Did you get this? Why is this A, B star, B, B we have added? Any doubt in this? Any doubt in this, students? If you have any doubt, let me know. I think this is clear. Okay. Now we will move on to the next state. Okay. At 1, again we have the loop. To remove the loop, what should I add at 1? Quickly. What should I add at 1? It is A, B star, B. Very good. Everyone got this time right. Very good. Okay, to reduce the time, what I'll do, I'll add here A, B or A, B star, B, B. Okay, I'm not adding two loops there. So here I have A and here I have to add one more transition to remove the loop. So that is what you said, A, B star, B. Very good. Okay, and this loop, whatever we have here, will remain as it is. Okay, don't do anything with that. We'll have this as it is because we are removing only the incoming arrow which is forming the loop, and incoming at 1 is B. So we have deleted that. Okay, this A transition will be as it is. Okay, now we don't have any loop in this finite automata, minimized one, right? So
Um,
now, yeah, tell me.
one also has two loops, right?
One. अच्छा, इसके बाद
अच्छा
दो
उसके
नहीं है
okay.
ना, है ना? I'll come to your question later on after finishing this, okay? If you see in this diagram, yes, you have two loops. We'll see what happens if I remove at 1, okay? We'll do that. Okay, now tell me for this RE, this finite automata, what is RE? What is RE for this finite automata? Quickly. No answers. Why? Rushikesh has given the answer. AB or AA, B star, BB whole star. Yes. A, AB whole star, B, right, whole star. Yes. AB star. Yes, very good. It's very simple, right? After eliminating the loop, it is very simple to write the RE. Yes, Rishikesh, right? Yes, Karthik, right. Very good. Okay, fine. I hope this is clear. Okay, now I'll come to this doubt what you people had. Okay, now why I should remove only at 0? I'll remove at 1. Okay, I'll not remove at 0. I'll remove the loop at 1. Okay, now I'll start. Okay. Sorry. I should have another here, right? Okay, fine. Now tell me. See, I don't want to remove at 0. I'll remove at 1. At 1, I have two loops, right? As you people said, there are two loops at 1. It is one is BA and another one is AB. Okay, so I'll add that here. One is BA and another is AB. BA. Okay, I'll add here itself. BA or AB. Okay, I think there is no doubt why I have added this. If I read this from 101 is BA and 121 is AB. Sorry, it is not AB, right? It is A, B star, B. One is BA, another is A, B star, B. Okay, now I have to remove the incoming arrows, right? I have to remove the incoming arrows. So from 1 to 0, from 1 to 0, I'll be remaining with B, right? Since I'm deleting the incoming arrow of the loop. यहाँ पर भी I'll delete this and keep this as it is. Okay. So here what I'll have A. Okay. And this is also my final state. Okay. So now you see which is start state here. This is my start state. Okay. So what is the RE for the students? Okay. You have even B star here. I have not considered. We'll see it later. Like if you know this, then that is not required. What is the RE for this? Students, what is the RE for this? What is RE for this diagram? For this finite automata? Anyone, students? What is RE for this finite automata? Quickly. There's no outgoing arrow from start state. Yes, Preeti. No RE is possible since we can't go from start to final. Very good, OHS. Yes. So, what is the RE? No RE to nahi hoga. What is RE? RE is null. Okay, it is not even epsilon. It is null. Right? So, because of this, what we do, okay, the answer for this question is what we do. Whenever we have loop at the start state, we remove it only at the start state. We don't go for other states to remove. Is this clear? I hope it is clear that why we haven't removed loop at 1. We removed loop at 0. Okay. Is this loop elimination clear? We'll solve one more small example and I think we can end our session, today's session after that. Okay. Very simple example I'll give you. Another simple example, Q0, Q1. This is A. This is B. Okay. So final state is my Q0. Okay. Okay. So tell me at Q0 what all should I add? Quickly. If there is loop, type yes, there is loop and tell me what should I add at Q0. Very quickly. I'm waiting. What should I add at Q0? What should I add at Q0? A B A. A B A. What is that A B A? Yes, Karthik says A B or B A. Ojas says A B or B A. A B A. How come A B A? I did not understand. Okay, A B A. Fine. Okay. A B or B A. Okay. Any other answer? Quickly, students. Write down your answers very quickly. Abhishek, good. Shreya, good. Fine. So you people say that you have two loop, right? Preeti says AB star or BA star or AB ABA. A B A B A. Preeti, I did not understand C in between. Just check what you have written. AB or BA. Yes, very good. I did not understand the last one. AB whole star or BA whole star. Okay, fine. AAB. Okay. Okay, Preeti, fine. Students, how many loops you have? You have Q0, Q1, Q0. You have Q0, Q2, Q0. Is this a loop, students? Just check this. Is this a loop? From Q0 to Q1 you can go. From Q1 to Q3 you can go. Can you go from Q3 to Q2? Can you go from Q3 to Q2? No, right? Since it is from Q2 to Q3, you cannot go from Q3 to Q2. Are you getting this? Okay, so you cannot go from Q3 to Q2, right? So this is not a loop. Q0, Q1, Q3, Q2 is not a loop. You have only two loops, that is Q0, Q1, Q0, Q0, Q2, Q0, right? So many of you have given the right answer. It is A, B or B, A. Okay, one thing, students, what about Q3? What about Q3? Can anyone say what is Q3 state? Whether it is required, whether it is a required state? Just check. I think you remember the minimization of DFA, right? Right? We can no outgoing arrows. You have only incoming arrows, right? At Q3. So it is a dead state, right? It is not contributing in between start and the final state. It is not reaching. It is not reaching the final state, right? That is, it is not contributing in this generation of string. So you can even remove this, right? You can even remove this. This is not required. It is just given for you to confuse you people. Okay, so only these Q1, Q2 is contributing. So you can add only AB or BA. Okay, after adding AB and BA, what is remaining then? What is remaining? Q1, right? Q1, and here we have A, and here Q2, and here we have B. Okay, right? Q3 I have just eliminated it because it is not contributing to string generation. Fine. Now what is the RE? Very simple. What is RE? What is RE? Yes, it is AB or BA whole star. Very good. Very good. Yes. I think you got this. Everyone got this? Is there any doubt or confusion in this loop elimination method? Is there any confusion or doubt in loop elimination method, students? Let me know very quickly. Yes, good. Okay, so we have done with loop elimination method and state elimination method.